Optibelt's Red Power 3 Premium Power Transmission V-Belt offers high performance in confined spaces. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, if you want to give your production line a space-saving and cost-effective rethink, Optibelt's compact Red Power 3 V-Belt is the answer. Ideal in mechanical engineering and designed to reduce the number of belts required, the Red Power 3 provides up to 50% higher power transmission capacity compared to conventional V-belts. The longer lifespan and significantly reduced maintenance needs of the Optibelt Red Power 3 make it the perfect replacement for overloaded drives. The Red Power 3 ensures consistent power transmission across a temperature range of -30 degrees Celsius to over 100 degrees C. Unlike conventional V-belts, the Red Power 3 is maintenance-free and requires no retensioning. Optibelt's expertise and modern production methods allow the V-belt to perform with the highest efficiency available. If you'd like to find out more about the Red Power 3 V-belt, contact Optibelt on 038791 2700 or visit them online at optibelt.com. And thank you for watching.